part of Moston Cycling Club and Community Bike Library, and we're here at number 93 Wellbeing Centre in Harpurhey. The bike library was set up about 3 years ago with the funding which we received from Transport for Greater Manchester. We offer free bicycle loans, cycling training on the roads, in the parks, and also bike maintenance sessions. Only 3% of Greater Manchester population cycle 5 days or more a week. So the bike library is here to reduce those barriers. We are a grassroots organisation. Most of the things are done by volunteers. We needed a website, so we've asked North Manchester Brokerage Service to help us, and they put us in touch with the Tech for Good Alliance.
Working with businesses is extremely important to Manchester City Council. They referred the bike library to us when they initially came forward with an ask, and because we have several relationships across the UK with our Tech for Good Alliance members, one of which of course is BJSS, they stepped forward very kindly and agreed to take on this project.
Because we visited Marina at the centre, we were able to work with her, get to know her and get to know the charity, and one of the things we saw was there is an opportunity to do more than just build a website. So the way we architected it and the way we looked to build it was in a way that we could use this as an accelerator for other charities in the future. We used BJSS's collective and holistic capabilities in both design and engineering, and we brought those together to really help build an impactful website and make sure that we built it in the right way.
We spoke to Marina and she explained her aspirations for the website and what she needed, and so with that in combination with the user goals, we were able to map out what we really needed, what was most important on the website. It was really important to capture that sense of community. In the second iteration of the logo, we really tried to capture that with illustrations reflecting the diversity of the community.
Once a style guide and a content document had been put together, I then started on the wireframes. Initially, I was working closely with the content designer to understand the most important user journeys and the goals on the website. After the developers had built out the site, we conducted an accessibility test based on the WCAG 2.2 specifications.
We worked collaboratively with the design team in order to fit the wireframes to the technical needs of the client, integrating Eventbrite and other services that Marina may want to use. We were attempting to keep costs down and also make this website very easily maintainable to allow us to implement the entire project in a phased manner and deliver as much value as we could as quickly as possible.
So we built the initial website for Marina, and that's acting as a shop window. That's to help her establish a strong online presence. So it's something that we can hand back to the Tech for Good Alliance so that they can quickly roll this out to other charities in a similar way.
Working with BJSS Manchester on this has been absolutely fantastic. They've been so enthusiastic, they've engaged fully with the charity, and I know that Marina has a lot of confidence in their capabilities, and they've allowed her to really express her desires for what her organisation should be in the longer term.
BJSS has created a beautiful and very functional website for us, and now we can have everything under one roof, where people can find about all the things that are happening in the bike library and where they can join us. We're hoping that we can spread the word through the website to a wider audience of Greater Manchester and increase participation in cycling and break all those barriers which people are facing now.